Hi, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video. If you're new to our channel, my name's Alexis, and we're going to unbox a L.O.L surprise plushie doll, and I will read you all the names that there is. There's Bear Arena, Cinnabon, Meow Rocker, Pup Tart, and two mysteries. And I'm gonna pull this part, and then we're gonna open it. And let's see which one we got. I'm gonna push these ears down. Oh wait, I'm gonna. I see a hand. We got Bear Arena. Here's how she looks like. She's a bit boxed up and cute. I'm gonna use the scissors to Ooh, she's holding a surprise, I think. Look, she has a little pocket to put on your finger, and I like her little shoes. It's pretty. She's holding her little waving thing to do ballet. Let's open like her stuff that's in here. Oh, it's a little clown. It will come good with her little ear. And there's one more thing. There's her earrings. So this is all her stuff and some of her friends. Ooh, I like this one. And there's two on the back. I'm gonna put some of her things in to show you how she looks like. I'm gonna put in her two earrings, if I can. Oh wait, I see something. Hold on, wait, she has this black thing on her ear. Oh, I think that black thing is to put like her earring. I'm going to check if it's on the other side. Yeah. This is how she looks like. She got her little earring holes. And this is how she looks like with her earrings on. And then I can't put on her earrings, so it's pretty hard to put on. And this is her little wavy thing. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.